Goed, vandag kyk ons na selfstandige naamwoord. Weereens ons omkring ons die woord. So ons breek dit op in lettergrepe en dan omkring ons die lettergrepe. Selfstandige naamwoord. Now if we just look at the first word, it says self. So as na die eerste woordjie kyk, sê hy van self. Dit beteken, dis iets van jouself kan vat en voel. You yourself can touch it and you can feel it. Now the first one I underline for you. Let's read the sentence. Die see skop die bal. Can I touch die? Nee. See? Yes. Jy kan dit self sien, jy kan dit self voel, nee. Skop, kan jy aan skop voel? Can you touch skop? Nee. So we don't underline. Die, can you touch die? Nee. Ball, yes, we can touch a ball and we can see a ball. So those are our first three selfstandige naamwoorde. The second sentence. Die, can I touch die? Nee. Hond, yes, I can touch hond, I can see hond. I can see the dog, I can touch the dog. Slaap, can you touch it? Can you see it? No. Onder, can I touch it? Can I see it? No. No. Wit. Can I touch wit? No, what is wit? Kombuis. Yes, I can touch a kombuis. I can see the kombuis. Okay, so those are your selfstandige naamwoorde. So you can see Afrikaans is not difficult. You must just break up the words in syllables, you circle them, and then the word itself will tell you actually what the meaning of the word is. I hope it helped you.